There's a very quick and easy trick that you can use to increase the profit on your Printful orders, and I can't wait to share it with you. Now, you might already know about this, but there is a Printful Challenges tab that you can find through your homepage on your dashboard. If you don't know how this works, it's very simple. You just get some points through completing challenges, and what you can do with those points is you can exchange them for either coupons or extra sample orders, things like that. I know a lot of you are probably thinking, why are you telling me this? This is very obvious because it has been around for a good half a year now, I think. But what you might not have tried before is the featured product. Now, I've already got this enabled for this month. If you enable this, you will get the featured product discounted every single time an order comes through, and the discount is 100%, so you will basically get it for free, and it only costs you 800 points, which is equivalent to a £10 Printful coupon. So if you sell 10, 20, 30 products in a month of the featured product, you could save yourself a few £100 easily, or a few $100, whatever it is. I wish I'd known about this sooner and tried it out sooner, because it's essentially free money. And I don't know if Printful intend for this to work this way. Maybe they only want you to get one free order of the product. So while it's sort of broken, if it is broken, take advantage of this. Now, you might be thinking, this month the featured product isn't something that I sell, so this is pretty pointless to me. But do definitely keep an eye out, because next month it might be something that you are selling a lot of, and especially in Q4 it can really bring you a lot more income. Another method you could actually use to take advantage of this is by pricing your products lower. So say, for example, in this case you usually have your mugs priced at $20. Now, if you bring that price all the way down to $15, for example, you can still make a hefty profit, but your customers are a lot more likely to buy your products, which means your order numbers should technically go up. One thing you need to bear in mind though is the discount only sort of counts for the first product in your order. So if someone orders a batch of products, say 5 or 10 mugs in one go, then you might be out of pocket if you price too low. To tackle that, you might be able to change the shipping costs. So someone adds multiple mugs, then make them pay like a few dollars per mug for the shipping. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this trick can help you increase your profits in the future. If you want to see more content like this, then make sure to subscribe. I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.